So, apparently, African American, black, colored men do not get fibromyalgia. Did you know that?
Derp.
Debbie, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this channel is mainly just chronic illness stuff. So we try to share fun, good, bad, ugly. And here's an example for you. You know, I don't bring this out to put attention onto the trolls, the haters, the people that leave nasty comments. But this is a reason why society is the reason, this is the reason why society can be as ugly as it is. Because you have one person that starts saying things, and you get all these other people to believe them, and then, you know, without learning anything, they just throw all these words around, and they sound absolutely ridiculous. But some people believe it, and they blend it into what they believe, and people forget the facts, right? So I have to read this one to you. Fibro disproportionately affects white middle-class women. I was 17, but... Find me an African man with fibro and I will believe you. Fibro is just a way of manipulating your spouses into providing for you. So apparently, you guys, we're all faking this so we have a man can take care of us. How many of you are single again? There's quite a few of you doing this all on your own, but you choose to be this way, okay? Fibromyalgia and many other chronic invisible illnesses does not discriminate. They don't care if you're yellow, black, brown, peach, anything. They don't care how old you are, boy or girl. Yes, it does seem to be affecting more women. What is it now? Like a third out of those diagnosed with fibro are men. But I do really believe men feel like they have this standard. Like, I don't know if it would be more ego. But a man, you know, they're taught to be the strong one, the one that fixes everything. And so I feel like it's harder for a man to see a doctor for fibromyalgia, to be completely honest with you. So I honestly think that those numbers would be higher. And I know you spoonies know African American men that have fibromyalgia. Yes, I'm sure it's less because just men alone is lesser of a number. Common sense. So I had to share this with you. I thought it was ridiculous, but it at the same time it's kind of upsetting because, like I said, it's this chain reaction of these fools that doesn't help the stigma we already carry on our shoulders. You know, at the end of the day, screw them. We know our truths and we know what we have to deal with daily. But at the same time, you know, it's just so stupid. It's stupid. And I wanted to share it with you guys. Get a good laugh. Don't be angry. You know, there's plenty of them out there too. For those that don't have an invisible illness, you know, just a little piece of what we get to deal with. So have a little laugh with me. And watch the comment section below. And you'll see how spoonies, that's what I call someone with a chronic illness, my spoonie family here on YouTube. You'll see all sorts of different kind of people. But nobody needs to justify themselves. Okay? There you go. There's plenty of other things we'd rather be doing with our lives than pretending we're sick. Like, seriously, come on. I hope you guys are having a happy day. And I'm actually feeling pretty decent today. It hits almost 30 degrees today. The sun is shining. I'm happy. So, if you're a jerk, screw off. If you're spoonie high, or if you're someone with half a heart here just wanting to learn, thank you. We appreciate that. We need more people willing to learn more about this. Okay? And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Hey, if you have any video ideas, I'd love to hear them. I had a whole backup of them, but they were in my mind and I've been kind of forgetting. I gotta write them down when I think of them. So if I had told you I'd make a video on something and you want to see it, let me know, okay, you guys? And I will write them down this time and work on it. I had a few written down, but I can't find it. I appreciate those that do stick around and show your love by sharing and commenting and talking with me and all the other spoonies. It's awesome. I appreciate you very much. And I will see you soon. Love yous. Bye-bye.
I believe I can. I'm sexy and I know it.